Starting your hair growth journey can feel overwhelming. There are so many oils out there and everyone claims that they're the best. But where do you actually start? In this video, I'm breaking down the best beginner-friendly oils that promote scalp health, boost circulation, and strengthen your hair from the roots. Whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your routine, these are the must-haves you need to know about. So let's talk about carrier oils. These are the foundation, the base, the heavy lifters of your hair growth routine. When I first started out, I had no idea what a carrier oil was. I thought oil was just oil. Wrong-o. Carrier oils deliver the nutrients that make your hair grow and keep it moisturized. They're like the delivery truck for all your hair goodies. Now, if you're a total beginner, there are really 4 carrier oils that you gotta know about. 1, castor oil. This thick substance is like hair cement in the best way possible. It thickens, it nourishes, it locks in moisture. When I started using castor oil, my hair follicles sent me a thank you card. 2, jojoba oil. Fun fact, jojoba oil is the closest thing to your scalp's natural oils. It's like giving your scalp a little you time to balance things out. 3rd one, coconut oil. This tropical wonder doesn't just smell amazing, it sinks deep into your scalp shafts to stop protein loss. Stronger hair, fewer breakage, all thanks to our friend the coconut. And last but not least, olive oil.
Oh, Popeye!
No, not that olive oil. This olive oil is the secret to shiny, strong hair that can withstand every roughest pillow friction. Olive oil protects and strengthens, period. If you're an at-home alchemist, it's common practice to use one of these in combination with an essential oil, but don't feel like you're restricted to just one. Choose the carrier oil that best suits your unique hair needs. What essential oils can you mix with these? Well, I'm glad you asked, because we're about to talk about that next. Essential oils they're the secret sauce that takes your hair growth to the next level. Essential oils work hand in hand with carrier oils to stimulate growth, get that blood flowing to your scalp, and keep pesky scalp issues at bay. If you're just starting out, there are 4 essential oils that you need in your corner. First up, rosemary. This rich ingredient is not just for cooking. This aromatic oil stimulates the scalp, promoting a healthy environment for hair growth. Its invigorating scent also provides a refreshing sensory experience during your scalp massage routine. Next up, peppermint oil. It's like a refreshing scalp wake-up call that boosts circulation with a nice cooling tingle. Then there's lavender oil, the scalp soother. It calms inflammation and beefs up your hair thickness. And finally, tea tree oil. It's the bouncer that keeps dandruff and other scalp troublemakers out of the club. When I first started my own hair growth journey, I began with rosemary. And soon after, I was mixing in castor oil. I felt like a mad scientist on the verge of creating the super soldier serum, but for hair. And then I did. So you're probably thinking, this sounds great, but ain't nobody got time to be mixing up their own oils every single day. I hear you. And that's why I created the Mane Growth Elixir. It's got all the heavy-hitting ingredients like castor oil, rosemary, peppermint, all in one easy-peasy bottle. No chemistry degree needed. Want the secret to getting the most out of your elixir? Sign up for my exclusive newsletter at watchstallionmane.com. I'll be sliding into your inbox with all of my top tips and tricks. Plus, you'll score a sweet 15% off code just for joining the party. Trust me, your hair will thank you. Click on the link in the description below and let's get growing. All right, so you've got your carrier oils and your essential oils of choice. But how do you actually use them for maximum hair growth? It's all in the application. First things first, scalp massage. This is non-negotiable. When you apply your hair oil blend directly to the scalp, you're going to want to massage for a solid 1 to 3 minutes. You're not just working the oils in, you're stimulating blood flow. More blood flow means more nutrients reaching your hair follicles. And that means stronger, healthier hair growth. Now, let's talk about the difference between an overnight treatment and a quick absorption session. If you're using a thicker oil like castor oil, you might want to leave it in overnight. Throw on a shower cap and get your beauty sleep and let that oil work its magic. In the morning, shampoo it out and enjoy your softer, shinier locks. And on the other hand, if you're using a lighter oil like jojoba, you might opt for a quicker treatment. Apply it, massage it in, and let it sit for a few hours, then rinse it out. This is perfect for a little midweek hair pick-me-up. So, how often should you be oiling your scalp? For most hair types, 2 to 3 times a week. This is the sweet spot. But listen to your hair. If it starts weighing down or it's getting greasy, scale back. If it's drinking it in and begging for more, feel free to adjust your frequency. If your fingers get a little too sore, and they will, feel free to use a scalp massaging tool. Same thing, you're going to want to massage your scalp in circular motions to lock in these amazing oils into your scalp. And let's not forget, consistency is key. Your hair growth journey is a marathon. It is not a sprint. Stick with your oil routine, be patient, and you will start seeing results. If you found this video helpful, give me one of these, drop me a like, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Let's unleash your main potential together by watching this video next, where I'll show you how to further improve blood flow and nutrient delivery to help maximize your hair growth journey.